Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can draw on MS Paint. And today I'm going to draw a birthday cake. So let's start. But before starting the video, don't forget to smash that like button, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's start now. Okay, here we are at MS Paint. So first things first, I'm going to show you how we can make a birthday cake. So firstly, we need this circle like this. Then we need a rectangle. Oh wait, why is that coming? Wait. Now we need a rectangle. I think now it should come a rectangle. Yeah, good. Now I'll spread it and now use the eraser to erase this part. And I'm gonna make a really simple drawing because the more complex drawings will come in next videos. So be prepared for that. And now I'm gonna mm, make the rest of the part. There's nothing to explain in a birthday cake, right? And now the next square will be like this. And now we're done. And now I'm gonna make some candles. Let's make just one big candle because there's no space for more candles. And now there's the tricky part of this one, that how we can make the top part of the candle. We're gonna make it like this, something like this, and then click on it again and make a standing line like this, and then like this. Looks pretty good, huh? Now we're gonna fill more and more colors in it, and then we'll be done. Now this color. Oh, okay. So the things are not getting well. Yeah, better than that. Now what I'm going to do is, instead of doing that, I'm gonna just fill yellow color in the candle and all in the thin parts, because then your boundaries can turn into that color. So I'll prefer this because this is easy and it will not destroy your drawing. So you can use this method. And plus, you need to be really careful on MS Paints. And now it's time to think about what would be my cake's color. So before thinking about that, I'm gonna just make this one yellow, the down tray, and that looks good. Now we're gonna think about the cake. So firstly, we're gonna make a line, a black line right now, right there, and it'll be nice. And then make it curve like this and like this, curvy, curvy. Now we're gonna um change the colors. Like this one's red. Oh man, this one will be red, and this one will be a little bit different from red. Maybe something like this. Yeah, that will be nice. Let's do that. No, that color looks really dull. And so I'm gonna use a pink color like this and do it. Better than before, but not too good. And now I'm gonna use blue and sky blue. And there we go. Our birthday cake is ready. If you want to add more details, I've uh, I've told you how you can do it here. So it'll be really easy. And on the next video, I'm going to show you how we can make more and more complex drawings. So on PowerPoint, on I mean like MS Paint, we're going to have 2 or 3 more videos. So be ready for that and stay tuned with me. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel right now. And I'll see all of you in the next video.